The LG V20 you see here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola One 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Motorola One 5G is not here on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $549.99. The contract's 128 GB of storage, and it's available in Oxford Blue Line, right? So this phone's not available on Verizon Prepaid, like I said. This phone's been out since last year. It was first available on Verizon Postpaid service. It's now available on Verizon's prepaid service. So if you guys are interested in this phone, it's available now on prepaid. $549.99. No contrast, of course. So this is a very nice looking phone. Pretty decent specs here. So you guys will have dual front facing cameras there. This is your volume button on the right side of the phone. I think your power button on the right side of the phone as well. So power and volume keys will be on the right side of the phone. You got this nice looking wallpaper, very nice. Also got the clock as well, which is a very nice looking clock. The left side, what the hell? What's the left side phone? You got your micro SD and SIM card slot there. And I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know. But yeah. So on the back of the Motorola One 5G, as you guys have 4 cameras, dual LED flash, Motorola logo, and your 5G logo. Your power button is right here. If you guys can see that, it's like kind of indented in a little bit. That's where your fingerprint sensor is as well. And this one's available in Oxford Blue. And I'm not a fan of it. I'm just not. It's like a glossy back to it. I don't know if it's made of glass or plastic. I'm not really sure. But I'm not a fan of the color now. It was available in black and white, it'd be nice. And there's the right side of the phone there, like I said. Volume keys, power button is right here, and your fingerprint sensor is right here as well. So pretty nice. So yeah, so the Moto One 5G has 2.91 inches in height, 2.91 inches in width, 6.61 inches in height. 4 cameras on the rear at 48 megapixel. It also has a macro vision and ring light, which is 5 megapixels, 8 megapixel wide ultra wide angle, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So that's pretty nice. 49 hours of usage time, 11 days of standby time. It says here in tradition, the Motorola One 5G and unbelievably fast phone that's built for today and ready for tomorrow. Download, stream, and game. Ultra low lag and ultra fast 5G speeds. Capture all the moments that matter on the quad camera system with 48 megapixel 5 pixel technology. And with the features like a dedicated macro vision camera, an ultra wide angle lens, night vision, and more, all your photos will look like they were from the pro. Shoot celebrity selfies with a 16 megapixel front facing camera and capture everyone in the next shot without a selfie stick using the ultra wide angle lens. Enjoy your favorite content on the large 6.7 cinema vision display with cinematic views. All this and more is powered by a battery that will last for days. And for those who want hands-free control, it supports multiple wake words, including Google Assistant and Alexa. Do more of what you love with Motorola one 5G and Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Says here ultra fast 5G speeds, compatible with both 4G LTE and 5G nationwide networks. This is one smartphone that lets you game with ultra low lag, download in seconds, and stream with minimal delay. Never miss a thing with ultra fast, ultra powerful 5G ultra wideband. Aliens for any occasion. Capture all the big moments and not so big ones with the Motorola One 5G quad camera system. A 48 megapixel main camera with quad pixel technology delivers 4 times better light sensitivity for clear images, no matter the time of day. A 118-degree ultra-wide angle lens lets you fit more of what you see in every frame, and for pro-looking portraits, bokeh effect plays the background so the focus is only on your subject, and to capture every detail, the macro-vision camera with dedicated flash gets you up to 5 times closer. Superior selfies with 2 front-facing cameras, selfies and group feeds are no problem. The 16-megapixel front-facing camera with quad pixel technology and 4 times more light sensitivity lets you shoot all your best angles in NA light, and the ultra-wide angle lens will fit all your besties into a single shot. No selfie stick required. Batteries for days. Go for days in a single charge with the ultra long 5000 with the Go for days in a single charge with the ultra long lasting 5000 mAh battery with up to 2 days of power when running on 5G and up to 3 days on 4G LTE. You can multitask, stream and game without worry, and when you need to charge in an area to repower, gives you average power in minutes. More screen for what? More screen for what? More screen for more of what you love. Watch all the latest binge-worthy content on a CinemaVision 4K Plus display with a 21:9 aspect ratio with large 6.7 inch bezel-free display. Has a streamlined design so it's comfortable no matter how you hold it, and with a 90Hz refresh rate you can swipe, scroll, and navigate with ease. Powerful performance. The 5G optimized Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor is ready to help you tackle your busiest days, from ultra fast web browsing to download speeds that will give you a whiplash. The processor is built for performance, plus with 40 watts of memory and 128 gigabytes of storage. You can rest assured that everything will run smoothly and there will always be room for the things you love. Competition crushing gaming. Get the leg up on the competition with Moto Game Time. Game without interruption, immerse yourself in the action, and get access to game enhancing apps and tools. So that is pretty cool there. This phone does have a lot of features, and especially in the camera department. So the specs on this phone are really good for what it is. So the width of the Moto 1 is 2.91 inches. Width, height is 6.61 inches. Depth is 0.35 inches. The Moto 1 weighs 7.4 ounces. You have a 6.7 inch 4K Plus CinemaVision display. That's a 21:9 aspect ratio. 16 megapixel camera and an ultra wide angle camera at 8 megapixels on the front. 48 megapixel main camera, Macro vision and wing light is 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Android 10 on board, which is very nice. It might get Android 11, which I think it will. I'm surprised it hasn't got Android 11 yet. I'm surprised, but we'll see if it gets it or not. Google Assistant, Alexa is supported on here. Wi-Fi 8 to 11 APG and an AC. Dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot. Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. Very 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and up to 1 TB of micro SD expansion. Battery 5000 mAh. There's your SAR rating, Serenade. Usage time 49 hours. Standby time 11 days. 5G, 4G network. HD voice. HD voice allows you to experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. It's a world device, which lets you use it in over 200 countries. XLTE ready, doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth in cities coast to coast. It is also LTE advanced, so you can use 4G or 5G on the phone here, of course, with 50% faster peak speeds in more than 450 cities from coast to coast. That's very nice. Like I said, specs on this phone are really good for what it is. This is like a mid-range smartphone. This is definitely worth $549, definitely. If you guys need help with your Motorola 1 5G, if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth or anything like that, Verizon has to help with that with device support, which is a great tool. So it says that Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is nothing really special, nothing. You guys do get the Motorola 1 5G prepaid smartphone, turbo power charger, Type-C cable, guys, and collider. I'm not sure what the fuck that means. You guys will get like Bluetooth and stuff like temper conditions, quick start guide, stuff like that, and assembly ejection tool. So nothing special in the box. So yeah, now the Motorola 1 5G is not heard on Verizon Prepaid. It's finally here. It's been out since last year on Verizon Postpaid service, but now Verizon Prepaid has this phone available with no contracts at $549.99. And I think it's worth every penny, but I think this is worth picking up. You're getting great specs on it. The cameras have a lot of features with it. This one has a lot of features with it. And I think that if you guys are looking to get a mid-range smartphone but don't want to spend a whole, if you guys are looking to get a mid-range smartphone with great specs on it, and you guys don't want to spend a whole lot of money, the Motorola 1 5G could be the phone for you. It looks very nice, minus the blue color, of course, because it just looks tacky with the blue color. It just looks tacky as fuck. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, so that's pretty much it there, guys. So there you guys have the Motorola 1 5G. It's not heard on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.